So we're given dimensions of her living room and her dining room. This sketch is her floor plan. We need to calculate the area that will be covered. What is area?
Area is inside.
What's the area? It's the total amount of space inside an object. Perimeter was outside. Now we're looking at inside the object, okay? So we want to know what the area is of this entire space, so the dining room and the living room. But that's not, we can't say this is a rectangle. This is an irregular shape, but it's made up of what? Can we cut this into different shapes?
Yes.
So you decide how you want to do that.
Rectangle.
2 rectangles?
Or
We can draw a line here, and I've created a square and a rectangle, right? 2 shapes. Or someone said we could have drawn a line here, and what did that make?
a rectangle.
2 rectangles.
2 rectangles.
So which way do you want to do? First way I did it? A square and a rectangle? Okay.
It's easier.
We have, I'm going to call this A. The dining room is A, shape A. That's the dining room. And we have shape B, the living room. I want you to label the dimensions of A and B in your notebook. The dining room. Oops, that's pink, sorry. The dining room, what are the dimensions? What is the length of this side?
4.
4 meters. What is the length of this side?
4 meters.
What shape is A rectangle or a square?
Square.
And B is a rectangle or a square?
Rectangle.
We know that this is 4 meters. To find the area of a rectangle, we need to know the length and the width. Where is the length? What is the length? Good, 6. Okay, area of a rectangle equals length times width. A square is the same thing, length times width, although we know that a square, the length and the width are the same. So you're multiplying it by itself for a square, because the length and the width are always the same for a square, right? So what is the area? Let's do A. Area of A equals, what's the length of the square? 4 times 4 meters squared. Are you copying this down? Area equals length 6 times 4 equals meters squared. Area is always in square units. You don't put meters squared on your test. I'm not giving you full marks. Question says, calculate the area that will be covered. Well, we figured out that the dining room has an area of 16 meters squared, correct? And the living room has an area of what? Well, I want to know the total area covered. Yes, we add. Good. So the total area equals 16 plus 24 equals 40 meters squared. You don't put meters squared, you don't get full marks, remember?
Yes, miss.
Total equals 40 meters squared. So they need to cover 40 meters squared of space for their laminate floor.